I'm going to grill up some eggplant today, and I usually make eggplant parmesan, but we've found some good luck grilling eggplant on the grill. So I start with a couple of eggplant, 3 to be exact. Then I'm going to slice them up long ways. You could slice them any way you want, but I like the way they come out, slicing them this way. Then I marinate them for about a half hour, 45 minutes. I'm using a regular salad dressing for this. You could use anything. Olive oil works great. Olive oil and garlic. And I'll probably put a little bit of garlic in here. But real easy. Just marinate them for a little bit. This batch I'm going to marinate in this garlic oil from Marconi. It's pretty cool. I got this at the Boston Pizza Festival. They were giving away great little samples. I recommend this oil. It's fantastic. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit on here and marinate them in that, and it's gonna be amazing. And then I just threw the eggplant right on the grill, and we're gonna see, it shouldn't take long, see how it goes. And of course I'm gonna cover the grill. And they're cooking nicely. Just flip them, not too much longer. And these babies are done. Didn't take long, maybe 5 minutes aside, maybe a little longer, but not bad. And you can use them, you can eat them straight off the grill. You can use them in sandwiches. You could even put it on pizza or anything you want. Great way to have eggplant. Grill it. Full disclosure, no eggplants were harmed during this grilling demonstration. I can't believe how good they tasted. And I want to do a full disclosure. I marinated most of the eggplant, actually all of them, in Newman's own raspberry walnut salad dressing. You could use anything, Italian salad dressing, or make your own. But I'm telling you, grilling eggplant, a great way to have it. And so, Albert Grande here, signing off. You want to show a little eggplant love and subscribe to my channel? That would be great. Pizza and eggplant on earth. Goodwill to all.